Hello everyone, this is Olajide from CTF Security and I'm super excited to share my journey on how I passed the Certified Ethical Hacker CH exam. As for me, cybersecurity has always been a passion and the CH certification would be a significant milestone in my career. I have long aspired to obtain the CH certification, but due to financial challenges linked to the fluctuating of dollar exchange rate in Nigeria, it took me some time to finally attempt the exam. Finally, September this year, I decided to pursue the CH certification because it is still one of the globally recognized certification for ethical hackers. I also needed to validate my skills and knowledge in cybersecurity, so it was a goal that meant a lot to me. To prepare for the CH exam, I had to use different varieties of study materials like the official CH study guide. Now, I'll just show you some of these resources right here. So this is the Ethical Hacking and Countermeasures Professional Series, and it is the official study guide for the CH exam. You can see it's about we have about 2,113 page, and this particular materials comprises of both the theoretical aspect of the course and the practical aspect of the course. So you can have the drop down menu here, and we have the sections that cover all the 20 modules that make up the CH exams. Likewise, we have the same thing on the theoretical part of the courseware. This is an extensive material, so I have to resort to other third-party resources to study for the exam. So other resources that I use for the exam are here on my drive. Here I have some questions and answers which I created myself. I also have some questions I got from Udemy courses, questions and answers from exam topic as well. If you need access to any of this material, kindly indicate in the comment section below. Some other resources I use for the exam include the virtual labs, which include the TryHackMe and the Hack the Boss platform. I also use some documentation and cheat sheet. Along the way, I found a study technique that was incredibly helpful. That is the flashcard. I have created over 700 flashcards that covers Q&A, key terms, definitions, security tools, and important concepts. So I'll just show you right away. So if you go to my Quizlet, you can see I have some questions I've created. This one is about 407 questions, and some of these questions are from the exam topics. I also have some questions I created, over 262, which is from my study guide. I also have questions from other creators as well. These flashcards made my study sessions more structured and significantly improved my retention of essential information and concepts. Some of the tips I would recommend for the exam include some of the things I've said earlier. First of all, you want to understand the exam objectives. These help you focus your study effort and prepare effectively. Secondly, you want to make sure you are using the official study materials. Using the official CH study material provided by EC Council, this material align closely with the exam content. Thirdly, you want to make sure that you read as wide as possible. Keep up with the latest cybersecurity news and trend by reading blogs, white papers, and articles. This can help you contextualize your knowledge. And also, you can decide to use flashcards, just like I've mentioned earlier. Flashcards are a great way to memorize key terms, commands, concepts, create flashcard for quick reviews and memory retention. You also need to practice, practice, practice because this ethical hacking is a practical field. Use virtual labs, hands-on exercises to gain practical experience with the tools and techniques used by the ethical hackers. And lastly, practice exams. Take practice exams to assess your readiness and identify areas where you need to improve. EC Council offer official practice tests and third-party resources are available as well. A day before my exam, I had gone through the ECC Exam Center and Remote Proctoring Service User Guide to understand all the guidelines and procedures required to take the exam. So on the day of the CH exam, I felt mix of excitement and nervousness. I had invested a lot of time, money, and effort into my preparation, and this was the moment to put my knowledge to the test. At exactly 10 a.m. my exam time, I log into the exam specialist website where I scheduled my exam previously to start the exam. I was assigned a proctor who walked me through sharing my screen and downloading the support logmein.exe, a remote access and support software. This software is used for remote support and management of computers. It allows authorized users to access and control a remote computer for troubleshooting, maintenance, or remote assistant purposes. In the case of the exam, it allowed the proctor to remotely control your PC, especially the mouse, and also for the proctor to key in their proctor ID and password to unlock the exam. During the exam, I have both text and voice session communication with the proctor, though few times I had to use the text feature to communicate because of his Indian accent. I was asked to provide my exam voucher, my identity card, also to scan the four corners of the room, including my table with my webcam. The proctor took control of my PC to check the control panel if I have any software or script that goes against the exam regulation. Then I was presented with a new URL to log in with my existing credential. Then I received my exam instruction and kickstarted my exam. As for me, the CH exam content was challenging and yet rewarding. It covered a wide range of topics within the field of ethical hacking, and I was impressed with the depth of knowledge and practical skills required. Some of the domain covered in the exam include cryptography, web application hacking, mobile platform, IoT and OT hacking, system hacking phases and attack techniques, network and perimeter hacking, wireless network hacking, information security and ethical hacking overview, reconnaissance techniques, and lastly, cloud computing. The exam instructions advise not to submit without informing the proctor. After I confirmed from the proctor if I can submit my exam and he said go ahead, I clicked on the final submit button and waited anxiously for my result. The screen displays passed along with my score. My emotion welled up. I couldn't contain my joy and relief. I felt a newfound confidence and sense of accomplishment. It was a truly rewarding experience. Then I realized I was now a certified ethical hacker. This achievement will open doors to exciting careers opportunities, and I look forward to advancing my knowledge and skill in the field of cybersecurity. I am celebrating this achievement with you, my subscribers. Your support and encouragement have been a tremendous motivation on this journey. Thank you for being part of this milestone. I want to encourage anyone interested in cybersecurity to pursue their goals. If you are considering the CH certification or any other cybersecurity path, my advice is stay committed, keep learning, and never give up. That will be all for now. If you have found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on cybersecurity, capture the flag, and Python scripting. See you in the next video.